हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Namaste. My name is Kevin Das, and welcome to Prem Bhakti Kiowas. Our goal is to develop and strengthen your knowledge of our rich Hindu culture while promoting the talents of the youths in the community. To begin this program, we will have an opening prayer. Now we will have a devotional song.
Here at the Prem Bhakti Mandir, we have a lot to offer to you. Join us every Sunday morning for Sunday morning satsang from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Also, please feel free to join us every Tuesday for Hanumanji Puja and Hanuman Chalisa chanting from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The classes that we have available are on Wednesday. We have harmonium class from 7 to 8 p.m. and tabla class from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. On Thursday, we have dancing, Hindi class, and singing from 5:30 to about 8 p.m. And on Sundays, we have classes for the young kids, the bachos, from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. right after service. Thank you, Jai Sitaram.
Do you want to drive in style? Need a limo for a wedding, party, or any other occasion? Then Excalibur Transportation Inc. is the ride for you. Call Neil at 347-236-7819. Once again, that number is 347-236-7819. Looking forward to your call.
Bring your children to Prem Bhakti Mandir's annual summer camp. This year's summer camp will be 2 weeks. The first week commencing on July 7th and ending on July 11th. The second week commences from July 14th and ends on July 18th. Camp graduation will be on Sunday, July 20th. Bring your children to learn Ramayana, Gita Shloks, Kirtan, Hindi, and many more. They will also have fun by playing games and watching movies. Please bring your children to Prem Bhakti Mandir's annual summer camp. We hope to see them here. Jai Shri Ram.
Looking for luxurious homes or apartments? Visit Zara with 2 convenient locations. 16607 Hillside Avenue, Jamaica, Queens, New York 11432. Their telephone number is 718-415-8833. Second location is 451 Fulton Avenue, Hempstead, Long Island, New York 11550. Their telephone number is 516-292-6071. They have studios, 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, furnished or unfurnished, with short or long-term leases available. Call for an appointment today to see these luxurious apartments. Again, Zara Luxury Apartment and Homes, with 2 locations, servicing New York. 718-415-8833 or 516-292.
Throughout our years in middle school, we have attained many skills that have helped us face many problems. We are continuing to move ahead in our education and on our way to high school. We all had great times together in the school and managed to achieve and even excel in academics we were previously not the best at. For example, all of us have excelled in math and equal science arts. We have even gone through much hard work and dedication. This is now our time to leave this school, and we will miss our school family that we have known for 9 years. It is all of these experiences that we have gone through together are what we will continue to remember throughout our lives. Cesar Pavez, an Italian writer, once said, "We don't remember days, we remember moments." This means that even though we will not remember when something happened or was said, we will know what went on. Does anyone remember how great math class was? We did some work, then we would laugh about it and talk about mistakes with our teachers. This is how we show friendship and how we have all known each other over the years of middle school. Our time in middle school has been very eventful, and we will miss many things about PSIS 268. Do not forget the field trips we went on, such as Brook College and Rockefeller Center. We all had a good time with each other, being ourselves, and having fun. From our time in middle school, we will be inspired to make a good impression in high school and be even greater in our academics. Also, if it was not for our beloved teachers, we would not be graduating. Teachers, we know you think we don't appreciate your teachings, but we really do. You have helped us in so many ways, either to progress in academics or help solve our personal problems. We will miss you as well because we have known most of you since elementary school. In conclusion, always do what makes you happy and put your heart into everything you do to the best of your ability. It is not the end of your journey that matters, it is how you got there, and that is PSIS 268. I would also like to wish the graduating class of 2014 good luck in high school and in your future endeavors with something even greater than the previous.
Our goal has been achieved. We are graduating from PSIS 268 and continuing to further our studies in high school. The journey has not been a simple one. We all face some sort of challenge over the years, from being bullied to failing important classes. Yet, we have managed to overcome these challenges and prevent them from blocking our paths. Over the course of the years, we have learned things, and now you all represent my second family. Do you remember how we collaborated in the vocabulary called Kick Me? We would walk around the classroom, peering at each other's back, hoping we would find the definition to match the word given. Although we were not allowed to share our answers with our classmates, we would still do so. These activities displayed our teamwork and unity as a class. Lastly, the visit to Philadelphia in February was by far one of the most memorable trips which we have taken together. When we were at the buffet, there was no end to the food. As a result, we were stuffed. Plus, many of us did not even want to leave. These are the moments that we shared and we cherish. Detachment is always difficult. However, it is necessary. This new stage is a clean slate, a fresh start. This is the chance to create even more firm relationships with our classmates or our teachers. Additionally, all of the mistakes that we have made in our past, we can use to our advantage to affect change and start anew. As you enter high school, make a good impression, either academically or extra and co-curricular. You are representing PSIS 268, your parents, your teachers, and foremost, yourself. Prove to your high school that they have made an excellent decision choosing you, and you will be a great contribution to their school and the community. There is a remarkable quote I would like to leave you all with. Confucius states, "Wherever you go with all your heart." I urge you all, as you head into high school, follow your desires and be the leader. By being yourself, only then will you truly be content. Let your heart lead you to your compassions. Hence, the opinions of others will not matter. Only your future plans and goals will. Before I conclude, we should thank our families, our teachers, and friends. With their tremendous support, we are here today, and we will continue to gleam in the future. Moreover, I would like to congratulate the graduating class of 2014. We did it!
Now we'll have a melodious rendition.
हर दिया सा पेराया गावत
In residential and commercial buildings, hydrojet cleaning service, video camera inspection, sewer and water main repairs. You can contact Mike at 718-657-7235 or 347-401-3831. Central Auto Repairs and Body Shop, Complete Car Care Center, New York State Inspection, mufflers, brakes, air conditioning, general repair, complete body and fender work, painting, insurance appraisals. Contact Dave at 718-738-2252 or 718-322-1400.
If you have been desirous of learning how to drive, look no further. Place your trust with the #1 choice in town, JK Driving School, 11817 Liberty Avenue. They have many packages you can choose from. They are licensed and certified by the state of New York. Their years of experience does make that difference. For those of you who are already enjoying the driving experience, save 10% on your car insurance by taking the defensive driving course. Call JK Driving School today, 718-659-9300.
Make 2014 the year it happens for you. If you've ever thought about having and hosting your own television program, then the time is now. Contact award-winning producer and editor Buddy Singh at 646-320-4991 or email Buddy at jkstvshow@yahoo.com or connect with Buddy on Facebook, Buddy JKS TV Show. Buddy Singh has over 21 years experience in the television business and is the producer and editor for most of your popular West Indian TV programs. Check out Buddy's internet TV channel at mywestindiantv.com, www.mywestindiantv.com. If you would like to stream your own TV program on Buddy's channel, call Buddy Singh today, 646-320-4991. Now you can have the world look at you with absolutely no limits. Call Buddy Singh now, 646-320-4991, 646-320-4991.
You are cordially invited to the grand opening of the Sri Tulsi Mandir, located at 103-26 111th Street, on June 29th, 2014, commencing at 1 p.m. Please come out in large numbers and support the grand opening of Sri Tulsi Mandir.
Sitaram, as most of you know by now, our goal here at Prem Bhakti Kiowas is striving to develop your knowledge and understanding of Hindu Sanatan Dharma, while showcasing the wonderful gifts Ma Saraswati has blessed the youths of our community with. I would like to take this moment to extend a word of invitation to all mandirs, kirtan groups, dance groups, and any individual youth that would like to participate in our show. Please feel free to contact us at the numbers listed on screen or email address listed on the screen. Please be reminded that there is no fee or cost to be able to partake in this wonderful experience and opportunity. Jai Shri Krishna.
Don't let the heat get to you. Call Rams Bottled Water and Coolers Incorporated, a family-owned and operated business, your neighborhood supplier of bottled water and water coolers for over a decade. They deliver to businesses and private homes, or better yet, you can stop by and get your supply of bottled water any day of the week except Sunday at 111-16 101 Avenue, Richmond Hill, New York, and experience their courteous and friendly service. If you're having a wedding, party, or religious function, let Rams Bottled Water and Coolers provide your guests with their refreshing water, either by the gallon or individual bottles. Once more, the number to call is 718-441-2706.
Now we will have a beautiful dance. Watching this week's episode of Prem Bhakti Ki Awaaz. Stay tuned next week, same time, same channel, for another episode of Prem Bhakti Ki Awaaz. May Bhagwan continue to shower his richest blessings upon you throughout the week and the years ahead. Jai Shri Ram.
He Sharde Ma, He Sharde Ma, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।